Here I've got LG K11 and let me show you how to test following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then go to the General, it's the last tab, scroll down, find and pick Smart Doctor, and here you will notice Test Hardware. So all you have to do is to click on it, and now you can perform a virus of tests, so you can check Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, proximity sensor, light sensor, fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, and also magnetometer. So all you have to do to test some feature is to tap on, for example, light sensor. Now wait a couple of seconds, and as you can see, it's in good condition. Then you can check Wi-Fi the same way, just by tapping. And it's also working properly. If you would like to test all of the features at once, just click on Test All and wait until the hardware is tested. And as you can see, all hardware is working fine, so there's no need to worry, everything is properly, and that will be all. So this is how you can quickly and easily test your LG K11. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.